It's been a while since I've done one of these. It's a new piece of kit that I'm quite excited about. Ordered this about a year ago. Super excited to have it. So I was thinking, why don't we go and why don't we go and try it out? It's not had a proper test yet. Tried it out in the garden, but yeah, we'll head down to the Gisborne Forest and let's see what we can do with it. Yeah, let's get to the forest. Right, I'm ready. Let's go. I don't remember the last time I vlogged. Yeah, it's been a while, probably over a year. So yeah, I just wanted to try out this new Wiral Lite that I've got. Hence why we're in the trees in Gisborne Forest, my local trails. He ran off yesterday, which I wasn't very happy about. But this looks quite cool. Sort of changing colours. Sort of start here over the trail. And then head into the orange. I think that'll look quite cool. So we're gonna need GoPro, 100-meter reel. Shout out to F-Stop for the F-Stop gear for the rucksack. I fucking love it. And the Wiral. So yeah, this is the Wiral. In here. This is the box it comes in. Quite like that. Super cool. And then that's the kit. This is the reel that it comes with. It's quite cool. So I was thinking of going from that tree to that one, right in the distance. And I think that'll give us the sort of nice, sort of flowing track into the orange down there. So yeah, I'll give that a go. This just literally fastens around the tree like that, clips on. And then you've got your reel here, which you then reel out to your next anchoring point. This might take a while. Forgot something. Forgot that. Let's try again. Jack, come on. Okay, at the other end, this is your reel. Get your straps. Breath. Okay, just stop that from falling. Right, all set. So I went for the black cable, but you can get a yellow as well. But the black just means it kind of disappears. So you can get a lot more interesting shots because you won't be able to see the cable. So I'm just going along the cable now, checking that there aren't any sort of obstructions. Might have to take this tree down. That was a bit easier than I thought. So now the cable's set up, it's just a case of fitting this to the cable. So I'm just using the GoPro Hero 6 and the Karma grip, which just screws on like that. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so now I've got the controller. Oh, schoolboy error, not put an SD card in the GoPro. Luckily I brought one. Remote's on, that's on. Really? Yeah. Bit worried about that tree. It hit the tree. We may need to do some more pruning. try it again. Still one branch. I'm gonna take down the whole forest. Now let's try it. This thing absolutely flies in sport mode. Let's try a tracking shot, shall we? I'm super happy with that. Not checked the footage yet, but trying to find the next location. Really awkward camera angle. Quick, yeah. Where do you reckon we should go? Should we go that way? Or that way? It's not very helpful. I quite like these trees, super close together. Might be able to get something, get set up there. So yeah, we'll just head into these woods, I reckon. Over there, try something that way. How should we head into these trees? Jack, from that way. Someone's wandering off. Seems like quite a good place to set up for the next one. Thinking down through there, in that tree, and the low hanging branches. Oh, apart from that one, might have to do a bit more pruning. Because everyone's here for you, not me. Yes, they are. They are. You sit there. You sit there. Yeah. Good boy. Let's get this next scene set up. It takes a bit longer to set up than just getting your drone out and flying it, but I wouldn't really want to fly. Yeah. Knowing my track record, not that I've crashed a drone, but you never know. They're expensive. So this is a culprit that I might need to do a bit of pruning. I've forgotten which tree we've attached to. That one. Good. So yeah, kind of idea for this video was just to come out and try the Wiral. I've been waiting a long time for it. So I'm just going to go shoot some B-roll now in these trees, mash it all together and kind of see what we get. So yeah, cue the B-roll. Shout out to anyone who recognises this spot. Well, I reckon that works pretty well. I'm super happy with this. I can't believe it's been over a year since I ordered it. It's great to have it here. May have crashed it into the dog. Yeah, bless him. He ran into it. But yeah, it's good. All fine. The speed of it in sport mode is pretty cool. So I need to get out and film some guys riding mountain bikes or something like that. I think that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, super happy with it. Definitely need to look at either getting a mirrorless camera or go for a Fusion or something like that, just so I can control the movement of the camera. I think it'll look so much better than just sort of stationary angles. Apart from that, brilliant piece of kit. Anywhere that you can't fly a drone over events, I mean, I shoot a lot of events, so this is going to be perfect, which is why I got it. So now, super happy. Thank you very much, Wiral, for coming up with this concept and design. Maybe we can do something together, I don't know. But yeah, I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.